Number of times before, I don't know a thing about music, and I sing strictly from memory. If I remember it wrong, I sing it wrong, which is usually most of the time. So anyway, I got this song about a minute ago from Irene Palmer's book over there. I sort of know what, sort of don't know what it's called. Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head.
I like that.
It's from the
musical.
From a movie called Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid. You probably know,
Right.
they're riding bicycles and carrying on like that. Do you know this song? I'll probably need a lot of help with it. I don't know how it starts. Raindrops keep falling on my head, just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed. Nothing seems to fit. Raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. I just didn't miss some talking to the sun. Said I didn't like the way he got things done. Sleeping on the job, raindrops are falling on my head, keep falling. There's one thing I know, the blue days and to me won't defeat me, won't be long, but happiness steps up to reach. Raindrops keep falling on my head, that doesn't mean my eyes soon be turning red. Cry not for me, I've never stopped the rain by complaining, cause I'm free. Doesn't worry me. Wait a minute, give me one more chance now. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Cry not for me, I'm never going to stop the rain by complaining, cause I'm free. Nothing worries me.
That's right.
Thank you. You're very kind, old man. You know that?
I love that song. I love your songs from musicals.
Thank you, dear. Appreciate that. You weren't here, so I had to give me another cinematographer over there.
Yeah, I still do.